198.15.224.0 with the wildcard mask of 0.0.0 dot unsang wildcard mask ka ni? Can you try to guess? That's 255 minus 192. That's 63, right? So 63. Enter. Oh, manong wala man na work. Gituyo na nako ha. Okay, because in an OSPF, dili lang kay maoning imong ihatag. Ang imong ihatag ana is also the area in which network does this address belong. So that would be area 0. Okay? There. And the next network is the 64. So meaning, kanisha would be 64, area 0. Okay? So this router is good to go. So kani pod, ato ni siya configure pod using OSPF. So enable config T router OSPF 1. So we put also 1, but this time the router ID is 2.2.2.2. Okay, so network 198.15.224.64 0.0.0.63 area 0. That means this area here and that area kay single area man siya. So all of these are all single area OSPF. So later makita na ninyo ang the difference between multi-area OSPF, no, and the single area OSPF kay mas nindot man gamiton ang multi-area as long as you know how to configure it. Okay, I hope dili kuan ang microphone ha. Then the next is the network 224.128. So meaning this is network 128. Then pinakalas is network 0. So okay, this network man. So they share the same network here. So that is network 0. Okay. So lato-lato na nato for a couple of seconds. Hinay lang akong computer. That's why dili siya ka-pop up na yun sa what we call this the adjacency. So there, OSPF 5 adjacency changed already from loading to full. So this will be a full adjacency already. And if you look at this router now, is directly connected to this one. That's why ang iyahang router is 1.1.1.1. So kung wala na siya router ID, ba? Sa ganito, kung wala yung router ID, so may tabo, i-elect niya ang pinaka-highest IP address between the two. So this is the .1 and this is the .2. So basically, ibutang niya dire as 198.15.224.1. So process 1, no, NBR and serial 00 is connected at this IP address. Okay? Muna siyang meaning ana. So this is good to go. We'll go to the next router here. Okay, enable config T router OSPF 1. So the same command, we have two networks here. So router ID, that will be 3.3.3.3. Okay, then network 198.15.224.128 0.0.0.63 area 0, because this is single area OSPF. Okay, if you see again, if you look at that one, ato i-analyze sa usa, no, there's a change adjacency already, and from loading to full adjacency, in which this router here is directly connected to router 2.2.2.2 rather than the IP address of that router. Okay, then the next is we are going to use the 255.0 network. 255.0 network area 63 there. So this network now can be seen by everybody. Okay, so let's try to configure this one also here. Okay, router OSPF 1, router ID, pila naman tong router ID ani? This is 1, 2, 3, so meaning 4.4.4.4. So 4.4.4.4. Okay, and network, so I'll be using 3 networks also, 198.15.224.224 192.0.0.0.63 area 0, then the 225.128 128, and the last is the 224.64.